Welcome to lesson number 2 of Learn Excel series. Today, in this lesson, I'm going to talk about how to create basic Excel formulas and how they work. First of all, I highly recommend that you watch the lesson number 1 under Learn Excel series before starting with this video if you have not done so. It was a lengthy lesson, and if you are a very beginner, that will help a lot, and the related video link is given in the video description below. Okay, let's look at the basic types of calculations we normally use and related symbols. We know we have 4 main types of calculations. Those are addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. In order to do these calculations, we need to know what are the symbols used by Excel. As usual, it is plus sign for addition, subtraction minus sign. But for division, we have to use backslash, and then for multiplication, it is asterisk mark that we find in our keyboard. Okay, now we know the signs. Now I'm going to show you how Excel does its calculations. Here you see the 4 types of calculation we discussed with their symbols. Now let's see how we can do addition in Excel. Let's say we are going to add 1 with 1. Then we have to go to a cell in our worksheet and type this. First, type the equal sign, then number 1, then plus sign, and again type the number 1. We are done with typing the formula now, and then we need to press the enter button in our keyboard. And the moment you press the enter, Excel will give the answer. It is simple, but keep in mind, always we have to start by typing the equal sign. Then only Excel will recognize it as a formula. Then we go to subtraction. I want to subtract 1 from 2. So the formula will be equal 2 minus sign and 1. Then press enter, you will get the answer 1. The division. We will divide 2 by 2. Type equal 2, remember backslash, and 2. Hit enter, answer will come. Similarly, multiplication. For example, equal 2, asterisk mark, and 2. Press enter and you will get the answer 4. Now you know the basic symbols used in Excel formulas and how Excel does its calculations. Let's apply this theory in Excel worksheet. Right, now I'm going to do the calculations which we discussed earlier. Now let's enter the formula. For addition, type equal sign 1 plus 1 and then press enter. Here we got the answer, and here equal 2 minus 1 and enter. Yep, here equal 2 backslash 2 and enter. Got the answer. Finally, equal 2 asterisk mark 2 and enter. Answer is 4. However, these kind of simple calculations like adding one figure with another here can be more easily done even with the calculator. We don't want software like Excel to do such calculations. Then there must be another reason or an advantage in using Excel. That's what I'm going to show you next. Now, I'm going to do the same addition calculation using a different method which is unique to Excel. First, I need to copy this data and put them down here. So I select the cells, then right click the mouse and click on copy here, then click on this cell, again right click the mouse and click paste and OK. Or else we can do it using keyboard with shortcut keys. Select the cells, then press Ctrl and C to copy. Then go to the required cell and press Ctrl V to paste it. In selecting the cells, you can use the keyboard like this. First go to the cell, then press and hold the shift button and use arrow keys like this. Okay, this is how we do in the second method. Type equal sign like earlier, then without entering number 1, let's go and click on this cell. See, it's highlighted and the relevant cell reference B2 is appearing in our formula. Now enter plus sign. Now select this cell. Okay, now see what's our argument here. It says cell B2 add cell D2. That means Excel is gonna add the value in this cell with value in this cell. Now we have completed the formula. Let's hit the enter button. See, we got the same answer again using a bit of a different method. I will do it for other 3 as well. Now, let's see what's the advantage in using this method. Let's say, for some reason, we have to change our original data. I go to cell B1 and change it to 4. Nothing happened to my answer. I change this cell as well. Now carefully see what happens to our answer when I hit enter. Yes, our answer on the second method got changed according to the changes done in original data. Why? See here, we say add B2 and D2. So Excel add whatever the value in cell B2 with whatever the value in cell D2. That's why our answer got automatically changed when we changed the data. But our answer here still shows number 2 as the answer. To correct this, we need to change the numbers we entered manually. So I change this to number 4 in order to get the correct answer. Now you see the second method is far better than the first method. This is more evident when we deal with huge volumes of data which is subject to change, so that we don't have to worry again and again about the formula. If you have entered the formula correctly at the beginning, then all we need to do is to change the data as required. The answer will get changed automatically. The same thing happens with other 3 formulas as well. If you think this lesson was helpful, please don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe to my channel if you have not done it. Click the bell icon as well so that you will get the notification of future lessons. If you have any queries or anything to say, please write in the comment sections below. I'm here to help. That's all for this lesson. Follow the next lessons as well and be a master in Excel. Goodbye.